Welcome back, friends, to another video. I hope you all are doing great. Friends, Christmas isn't just a holiday, it's a beautiful feeling that fills hearts with love and joy. Christmas is not as much about opening our presents as opening our hearts. Getting to celebrate Christmas with family is what the holidays are all about. To enjoy the festive season with the people you love is the real gift, and I'm thankful to have you in my life. During this season of giving, may you find the greatest joy in the simple moments shared with loved ones. Christmas begins with gratitude and ends with memories worth keeping. Christmas is the time of giving and sharing. It is the time of loving and forgiving. Wishing you a Christmas filled with joy and happiness. May this season bring you good health, cherished memories, and the love of family and friends. From home to home and heart to heart, from one place to another, the warmth and joy of Christmas brings us closer to each other. Christmas waves a magic wand over this world, and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful. May the peace and blessings of Christmas be yours, and may the coming year be filled with happiness. May this season remind us that love, health, and time spent together are the truest blessings we Christmas is a necessity. There has to be at least one day of the year to remind us that we are here for something else besides ourselves. Take time during the rush of the holidays to enjoy the things in life that really matter. Take in the serene moments spent with friends and loved ones, and may the wonder of Christmas surround you throughout the holiday season. I can never thank God enough for the wonderful family He has blessed me with. May He keep on guiding us and bless us to deal with all the difficulties. Just like a Christmas tree glowing at night, may your holiday shine with love, laughter, and cute festive moments. During this season of giving, let us take time to slow down and enjoy these simple things. The memories that touch us, the moments that warm us, the God who loves us. Christmas shines its miracle in our hearts. Let this become our Christmas tradition, no matter where we are, to be a little kinder, more forgiving, less judging, more grateful, more generous in sharing our abundance with those in need. Christmas is just a state of mind. It's not about the food or the presents. It's about creating a loving and warm atmosphere. To cherish peace and goodwill, that is the real spirit of Christmas. And Christmas is a reminder that we are all connected by love. Wishing you a Christmas that touches your heart with love, lifts your spirit with hope, and reminds you how much joy you bring to the world. May the holiday season fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter. May peace fill your home this Christmas, this New Year, and beyond. Wishing you a Christmas where the truest gifts are found not under the tree, but in the warmth of hearts, the laughter of the loved ones, and the peaceful spirit that makes the season bright. Make a wish. Wish for peace. Pray for health. Work towards better relationships. Try to be forgiving, be kind to others, and define your purpose. Make time to celebrate this moment with people you care about. Christmas is a great time for extra hugs and cuddles. Love is the magic of Christmas, and if you are blessed with children or grandchildren, share with them that special magic, and it will spread to others. The older you get, the more you realize you have no desire for drama, conflict, or stress. You just want a cozy home, food on the table, to be surrounded by kind people who make you happy. To my friends that I am honored to have in my life, may the last month of the year be a season that warms your soul, brings love to your heart, and blesses you with everything this life has to offer. I only have 3 wishes for Christmas. My family to be healthy, to have a better year ahead of us, and I pray that God will always hold my hand and guide me every step of the way. Christmas feels different when you realize that the real gifts were the people you thought you would have forever. When we remember a special Christmas, it's not the presents that made it special, but the laughter, the feeling of love, and the togetherness of friends and family that made that Christmas special. May the blessings of joy abide within you. May the blessings of peace rest upon you. May the blessing of love flow through you. May all the blessings of the Lord be yours this Christmas and throughout the new year. Our hearts grow tender with childhood memories and love of kindred, and we are better throughout the year for having, in spirit, become a child again at Christmas time. May God bless you and your loved ones with prosperity, good health, and happiness in the new year. The older we get, the more we realize that presence outshines presence. If you have a family that loves you, a few good friends, food on your table, and a roof over your head, then you are richer than you think. May all my family members and friends who need a miracle be blessed. May whoever is feeling unwell and weak be given strength. May all of those who have heavy burdens have their load lightened. May your Christmas be one filled with peace, happiness, and great joy. May this Christmas brings you everlasting happiness and peace, success in whatever you do, prosperity to you and your family. Fill your home with joy and spirit. Christmas is the time to share love and joy, a time to recollect beautiful memories, It's a time to sit back and relax. So enjoy the holiday season and Christmas. And friends, I wrap up the video with this wish that may this Christmas brings joy, peace, love to your heart and home. And may the new year bless you with endless opportunities, renewed hope, and abundant happiness. Here is to a season filled with warmth, laughter, and cherished memories, and a year ahead overflowing with God's grace and blessings.